Bueno, gaur bidaiari buruz hitz egiteko asmoa genuen eta denatik agertu dira, bizibaiketik agertu dira Matt eta Tom, Inglaterratik datoz, eta gaur da bere urtebeteko bidai luzearen bigarren eguna. Orduan pizkat eurak esango digute zer dan egin marrutena. Emma, Matt, what is your plan for the next year? Today is your second day of this long journey. What are you planning to do the next year with your bikes?
We're going to travel all around Europe on our bikes. So Spain, Portugal, France, and after that, who knows? We've got 1 year. Just keep going.
What do you think you will get from this 1 year trip?
I think we'll see places all around Europe that people don't normally travel to as tourists. So when you travel by bicycle, it's not about from one big town to another big town. Like if you were going on the train, you get to see all the little villages and the little towns and meet so many people along the way. Like we've met you this morning, just coming past your store.
Yeah, Matt, Emma, was it very difficult to set up all the material, all the luggage, all the stuff you had to carry in this trip? Was it difficult to think about it?
The difficult thing was not taking too much, because you always want to pack lots and lots and lots of things, but you can't because it's too heavy and you don't have that much room in your bicycle bags.
No, not difficult. You just write a list, and you know, as long as you have sleeping bag, warm clothes, you know. I've not got a special bicycle, it's just a bicycle, and you can get good panniers and things, so no, it's very good.
Yeah. Okay. And the reason we've come into your shop today is because we need to get a new inner tube. And you know, you go cycle touring, and there are shops and towns along the way. If you forget something, you can go and get it.
Why did you choose the bicycle for this 1 year trip?
We love to bicycle. It's good. You go slowly, meet lots of people, meet other people who like bicycles, and there's a community of cyclists, friendly, countryside. There's no better way to travel.
Bueno, hemen daukagu Matt bizikleta bere urtebeterako bidairako. Biziketa arrunt bat da, hirian ibili dezakena eta aldaketa txiki batzuk ditu. Zer egin du? Importantea, jarleku on bat jarri dio. Brooks larruzko jarleku bat jarri dio, eta honek emango dio bidai luzetan kilometro askotan erosotasuna. Larruzkoa da, orduan ondo transpiratzen du, eta honek erosotasuna emango dio. Manilarra igon egin du. Bizikletan kilometro askotan hobeto da pizkat artezago juteko aukera eukitea. Adar batzuk manilarreko puinoak garrantzitsuak dira, ondo apoiatzeko eskua, adibidez honek puño honek hemen dauka eskua ondo apoiatzeko zerbait eta gero adarrak. Postura aldatu ahal izateko hori garrantzitsua da. Aurrean dauka Orli alforja impermeable bat, aurrekoa manilarrekoa, ez da urik sartzen, eta janaria edo arrazki kamera gauzak eskura eukiteko alforja egokia, poltsa egokia. Gero daukaz, aurrean alforja txikibi, impermeableak bebai, eta atzean beste alforja handiagoak, impermeableak, euria egiten badaue ez bustitzeko, barru daude gauzak. Kanpin denda dukate parrillan, jarrita beste barik, eta esterilla. Orduan daukate aukera edozein tokitan kanpin denda jarri eta kanpatzeko. Kandaua, bizikletak lotutu ziberra da ez, kandauon bat, ura bi edo 3 botellinen emateko lekua, argiak, oso importantea, eta daukate dinamoak indoan argia. Orduan ez da pilari gastatuko eta ez dire inoz argi barik geldituko. Eta, bueno, pizkat hori hemen ikusten da zelan igona den manilarra erosoa juteko, kaskoa, ziurtasunagatik, eta pedalak aukera dago edo bai zapatien normalakin joateko edo batzuk erabiltzen dabez kalak, pedala anklatu joateko. Eta gero, guardabarros batzuk euria egiten badu ez bustitzeko. Eta hemen dauko urtebeterako bidei bat egiteko bizikleta.